Morning everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Today we're working on another Heathkit sb-220. So needs a new air variable on the air variable capacitor on the plate side. The plates do not stay centered. As you can see, they end up getting really close. So replace that. Ordered a brand new one. I'll put in the Harbach filter cap kit, which the customer provided. Ordered a new metering board. I have that here. I'll assemble it and install it from Harbach. Meters check out okay. Needs a new fan, so purchased a new fan motor, and I will reuse the impeller. I'll ground the grids and do everything else that I normally do underneath. I'll show that pretty quick. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work and I will see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. I have the capacitor assembly out. Someone replaced some of the caps. They're mismatched. They replaced the resistors. The person also extended the secondary lead plate transformer, the jumper, and also added a jumper on the back of the board, the metering board, to extend the other side. So I'll undo all that, make it right. I ran into some other issues which I took care of, but I'll go over every little thing when it's all completed. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, I'm back with the completed Heathkit sb-220. I'll go over everything I did really quick. So replace the meter movement lamps, the bulbs. Remove the outer nuts and snugged up on the inner nuts for each meter, and reinstall the outer nuts and snug those up. Put the series glitch resistor in. Purchased, assembled, and installed the metering board from Harbach Electronics. Customer provided the filter cap board kit, so I assembled that and installed it. Zip tied the wiring. Cleaned the rotary switch for the multimeter with the oxide gold. I modified and installed a brand new air variable capacitor for the plate tune side. Installed a brand new plate blocking capacitor, newer style, ceramic. Installed a brand new fan motor. I wound new parasitic suppressor assemblies and installed those. Cleaned the output rotary switch with the oxide gold. I retensioned the safety crowbar switch, which puts a dead short on the plate supply. You never ever want to turn this on when it's plugged in, because this will put a dead short on the plate supply and you end up doing damage. So it was missing some of the screws. Actually, the screen was down. It was in the wrong spot. It was up a little bit, so it was overlapping, and the three holes for the bottom were not lining up with the holes in the rear panel. So I put it back in the right spot and put brand new screws in with kept nuts. So there are 8 of them. So that's all set. Hey, I think that's about it for the top. I'll flip it over and I'll show you the bottom. See you soon. I've got the dryer going in the background, so if that's that noise, if you can hear it. So grounded the grids, changed the wiring at the terminal strip here, wasn't the proper gauge, had to fix the wiring over at the breakers back here. Soldered and heat shrunk the wiring for the fan, zip tied everything really well. New electrolytic over here. Used deoxit gold on the TR/bias contacts over here. Did the bias modification. I actually soldered the clamp over here for the output coax this side, and over there it was not soldered. I also changed the SO239 for the output connector. I was not making a really good grip. So that's about it. Also got a brand new set of pentalap tubes. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119, and the website is amprepairguy.com. Thanks for watching.